Assessment of multi-institutional model for the provision of livestock technologies in arid and semi-arid areas of Kenya. By John Kidley, Simon Omondi, Irene Ogley, Jane Ruto and Moses Ov. In Isiolo and Kajiado counties, red meat offers an opportunity for increasing household food, nutrition and income security. However, past interventions have not been successful in the delivery of livestock technologies to address perennial constraints due to a single organization approach, often each with its own interests. This study was carried out in Oldoniro and Nagremala wards in Isiolo County and Delilkutuk ward in Kajiado County. Livestock production and marketing have been hampered by the unavailability and accessibility of livestock technologies and information sharing. The key parameters assessed were priority livestock constraints, technology needs, stakeholder partnerships, and technology delivery platform. The data were collected from 451 households belonging to Kenya Climate Smart Agricultural Production (KCSAP) groups in the red meat value chain of pastoralists, common interest groups and most vulnerable groups (CIGS and VMGS), using semi-structured questionnaires, focus group discussions with groups, key informant interviews with public and private sector actors. The results showed that the majority of the respondents sampled in counties were male 302, 67%, and 149, 33%, females. In Delilkutuk ward in Kajiado County had the highest VMG registered, followed by the Oldoniro and Nagremala wards in Isiolo County. The priority livestock production constraints in Kajiado County in Dalalekutuk ward were diseases, lack of feeds, limited access to water, and inadequate veterinary services, and in Isiolo County was a lack of feeds, limited access to water and diseases. Priority livestock diseases in Kajiado County, Dalalekutuk ward were foot and mouth disease, FMD, anthrax, contagious caprine pleuropneumonia, CPP, and cerebral coenurosis and enterotoxemia and cerebral coenurosis for the sheep. In Isiolo County, priority cattle diseases were FMD and trypanosmiasis, in the goats CPP, and cerebral coenurosis, while in the sheep enterotoxemia and cerebral coenurosis. External parasites affecting livestock were ticks, mites, tsetse flies and biting flies. Furthermore, helminth infestation in their livestock herd was reported. The reasons for persistent livestock production constraints were ranked as single organization interventions not sufficient to solve problems, and lack of prioritization by stakeholders, water, pasture, diseases. The major livestock technology needs were pasture, water, access to veterinary vaccines, capacity building of groups, training of para-vets to support the delivery of veterinary services, information sharing platform and market infrastructure. The multi-institutional technology exhibitions consisting of public and private sector actors were held in Kajiado and Isiolo counties, linking KCSAP pastoralist groups to technology and service providers. To enhance the sharing of information, a mobile application, MITDP, was established linking CIGS and VMGS leaders with Kalro, Kevevapi, county governments of Kajiado and Isiolo departments of livestock production and veterinary services, suppliers of drugs, vaccines and equipment, water technology suppliers, agrovets and non-governmental organizations along the red meat value chain. Increased awareness and access to technologies will be a key adaptation strategy against drought and livestock pests and diseases, which often result in loss of livelihoods due to the death of livestock. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.